Namaste, Hamesha Khush Raho Bitiya. My name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you financial and managerial efficiency in dairy plant management subject in discipline food and biotechnology. Now let's start the topic financial and managerial efficiency. Operation of a dairy plant is a highly effective manner is possible only when all factors involved are synchronized. Perfection in efficiency may be considered impossibility, but the various operations which conform to the recognized standards of efficiency should at all times be equal to or above the standards. The overall efficiency of the plant operations is directly related to productivity, and hence it is absolutely necessary to maintain this efficiency as high as possible by optimizing the use of available resources and facilities. Plant operating efficiency may be defined as the ability to produce the desired products with minimum efforts, expense, and waste without sacrificing the workers' welfare. As manager, he should be aware of financial matters of the organization and utilize properly the fund for various activities to get the necessary financial resources, their profitable assignment and usage. The financial management efficiency contain the followings. First is to evaluate the effort from the financial point of view of all the actions that are about to be made in a given administration period. Second is to provide at the right moment in the structure and quality conditions claimed by necessities the capital at the lowest possible cost. Third is to follow how the capital is used. Fourth is to influence the decision factors in each performance center in order to ensure an efficient usage of all funds attracted in the various departments of the organization. Fifth is to ensure and maintain the financial balance according to the company's need. Sixth is to try to obtain the anticipated financial result and to distribute it on destinations. Then managerial efficiencies. New technologies, changes in relative prices, and changes in factor and output markets faced by farmers have resulted in a substantial increase in the demand of decision-making skills. As pointed out by Skulls, these skills can be considered an ability to deal with disequilibrium. It is these changes, that is disequilibrium conditions, that place a premium on transforming data and other signals into useful information, and this information into purposive goal orientation action. Variation in managerial skills will give rise to variation in firm level outcomes. Then monitoring input contribution, allocating rewards and punishments is a basic managerial function. For example, if some employee is doing very good job, then he or she must be rewarded by some increment in their salary or any award. And in another case, if some employee is not doing his or her work properly, and he or she is subjected to punishment or punished by the HR department. This function is carried out directly by owners in owner-controlled firms or by professional managers in firms where ownership is separated from day-to-day control. Broad categories of inputs are combined in order to produce certain output. In a real-world firm, of course, many different sub-production processes takes place simultaneously or in sequence. The efficiency with which inputs are transformed into intermediate and final outputs depends on how well these numerous sub-production processes are carried out. For example, in a dairy farm, the efficiency with which pastures or concentrates are transformed into milk depends on a number of day-to-day decisions. Similarly, effective labor management practices may allow result in more effort to be obtained from same amount of nominal labor hours. Leadership skills in particular may be important for teamwork to develop. The effectiveness of the Alkian and Dempsey's monitor may well vary among the firms. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in our comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a problem solving session. Thank you so much for watching this video.